Hey guys, today we're taking a look at Resume Designer, and as the app entails, it helps you design your resume. So if you've always wanted a simple way to design a resume and a really nice app to do it, this is a really cool app. So you can see here, you have the homepage here. It says sample. You can see here, this is just a sample waitress resume. You can choose to share it, preview it, edit it, all of that good stuff here. You click on the top left to tell your friends about Resume Designer, so you can share out the application via Facebook, Twitter, email, SMS, and so on. And you can click on the top right here to give some feedback and all of that. So for example, let's go ahead and design our own resume here. So we're going to go ahead and delete this one, for example. So we'll just delete this one. They have some samples here. You can see other ones. I can also just click into say new resume. So let's say this is a resume for example, just, CEO resume, we'll say, for example. And we'll go ahead and type that in, hit OK. And then now we need to go ahead and fill out the information about it. So we can choose to edit it. So I'm going to go ahead and edit here. And you can see really, really nice interface. I like the animations. I like just how simple it is here. So you can say you want to put in your personal information first off. So I can go ahead and just put in my name here, for example. And again, this is just to show you how it turned out here. And we'll just put in some random address. We'll just put test 1 2 3 4. Again, all for example, test@gmail.com, for example. You can put a phone number here if you want, all relative information that you need to put for your resume. We'll go back here. We'll go ahead and put a cover letter. If you want to put a cover letter, you can choose to use this. So if you want to do like a cover letter for your, your introduction and all that, you can put all of that in. So you can see they have tons of forms here. They have all the forms they need, even the signature. You can input all of that good stuff. So you can just put my name here, for example, as a test again. And then you can choose to add some sections if you'd like to add sections. I like that feature as well. So for example, if you want to put your work experience, your interests and activities, and what's really good, if you've never really made a resume before, this gives you the standard sections of some good things you may want to highlight within a resume. You can also put some other custom things that you may want to include. So for example, if I want to put skills here, I can put skills, and I can click on skills and then choose to add some skills. For example, I'm A+ CompTIA certified, for example. Certification, we'll just put that. Go back, and you can change the style, which is really cool here. So you can change the style of your resume by swiping left or right. You can see the kind of design it would look like. So you can see the bottom here, it shows you what it looked like. You can scroll here through and through, and obviously again, this is just a simple resume because it's not too much information is thrown out here, but I like the style, so we'll just keep it with the classic. Go back here, and then after that I can hit preview, and it will show me my resume, and I can even zoom in here. So again, this is just that cover letter we talked about, and then this is just, again, a really basic example of the resume, but it can really make a detailed one for you, just with a really clean layout. Really simply, all you gotta do is input the text, input your information, and it's that simple. You can rename it, you can duplicate it, delete it. I can go ahead and view some of these other ones. For example, the student resume, you can see this is a really good example of one that you can develop using this application. Just really neatly written, really nicely laid out here, and it knows exactly how it needs to format it. Really simple. And then of course you can go out and share these where you need to share them to. If you need to email it to yourself or even print it, you can do that. Really awesome resume app. This is Resume Designer, definitely worth checking out in the App Store today.